Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDC to Metamask. So in order to do it, you first need to open your Metamask mobile application. Then you just have to select that particular network on which you want to make this transfer. So for this video, I'm going to select Ethereum main network. So in order to select it, you need to tap on the drop arrow button in the top and select Ethereum main network. After that, you need to tap on the import tokens option, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for USDC. Now once you are able to find USDC, you need to tap on it, then tap on next in the bottom. After that, press import and USDC will be imported in your Metamask account on Ethereum main network. Now you need to tap on USDC, then scroll down and tap on receive. Now as soon as you tap on receive, you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address which you can use in order to get USDC into your Metamask account. In order to do it, you first need to have any exchange in which you have USDC, and you can use that in order to get the money. So for this video, let's say I have USDC in my Bybit account. So I'm simply going to open my Bybit account. Now tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner, then select withdraw. After that, you need to search for USDC and then tap on USDC. Then you need to fill out these details, like in this address you will have to copy the address that you have copied from your Metamask account. Now in the network, you need to select the network which was in Metamask account, which in my case was the Ethereum main network. So I will have to use the Ethereum main network. Then here you need to enter the amount of USDC that you want to transfer and tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to simply review the details and conclude your transaction. Once the transaction is completed, you will be able to get USDC into your Metamask account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.